Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short video showing you how to interpret the completely square answer. Ax squared plus bx plus c, you should know, is the general form of a quadratic. Once you've completed the square, you're going to get this, where you have certain values for h and k. Now these h and k values are very key. They actually give us the values of the minimum or the maximum point for this quadratic. And it's simply by doing this. The minimum or the maximum point is a coordinate, so it has an x value and a y value. The x value will be the h value that you got here, and you change the sign, you put a minus sign. And the y value is simply going to be the k value here. Now, if you have to determine if it's a minimum or maximum point, then you can come over to this note on this side. It says here, if the coefficient of x squared is greater than 0, then it will be a U-shaped curve, and well then that will be a minimum point. If, however, the coefficient is less than 0, it will be a maximum point. Now, I'm going to do quickly two examples of how you interpret this. So say for example I have this sum. When I complete the square, I'm going to get this. This simply means that since my a is 1, it's a minimum point, and my minimum point is going to be this, minus 4 minus 9, because I'm taking this value and this value, but in the 4, I'm going to change it to a minus. My second example is like this, minus 3x squared minus 18x minus 35. Once I've completed the square, I'm going to get minus 3x plus 3 all squared minus 8. Now the a here is negative, less than 0. So that means that it's a n-shaped curve and it is a maximum point. And my maximum point will be minus 3 minus 8. Because I'm taking this value here, changing the sign, and I'm simply taking the minus 8 value wholesale. Anyways, this is it for my video. I hope that you understand at least these basic steps. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.